Hi guys, welcome to the Adventure Tube channel, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Geeks4Geeks. Remove duplicate elements from sorted linked list. Given a singly linked list consists of n nodes, the task is to remove duplicates from the given linked list. Try not to use extra space. The expected time complexity is O of n. The nodes are arranged in a sorted way. Let me explain simply this problem. Initially we'll be given a linked list with ascending order. The linked list is sorted in ascending order. We have to find whether the linked list contains duplicate values or not. If we find duplicate value, we have to just remove the duplicate values and we have to arrange the linked list in sorted way. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to run two instances. One instance will be going from the head of the node, head of the linked list, and another instance will be going from the next of the head. So I'm creating two instances here. I'll name it as fin and another I'll name it as tin. And I'm going to check whether the head equal to null or head over next equal to null. I'm going to return head here. The else part, I'm going to traverse the linked list. And then I'm going to check whether the next value fin dot data equal to dot data fin dot next equal to null. Else guys, let's run. I missed the main part down here. Guys, yes guys, it's successful. And the main thing in this problem is we just moving one instance from the head and another instance from the second value. So we are moving from one value is here and another node is here. If the both is equal, if the both is identical, we are going to just make the next of this node as null value. If the both values not identical, we just making the next of this node, fin node, to the temp node. So this is the procedure we just did here. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Adventure Tube channel, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.